Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create ads account on Facebook Business Manager. This will be a complete tutorial, so make sure you watch this till the end. First of all, we have to set up our Facebook Business Manager, so we have to create a personal Facebook account. So just go and click on Facebook here. Now you have to make an account. So I've already made an account, so I will just log in into your account. I'm sure that you already familiar with how you can just make a Facebook account. Now, once you are inside your Facebook account, visit on Business Manager website. So we have to just go to a new tab. I will just open Google for you guys, right? And here we have to write Facebook Business Manager. And you will get on the first, make sure that it is written Facebook Business here. Now click on it. Now, once you click on it and log in into by using your personal accounts, I already logged in, right? And this is a Meta Business Suite here. This is one of my page. In your case, your personal account will be show up here and everything will be exactly same, right? So once you have logged in into your account, you have to create an account, but we have already logged in. So after logged in, it will look like this, right? Now here, add a Facebook page. So as you can see here, you will get this option of create a business portfolio or add a Facebook business page, because you cannot create a Facebook ad account if you don't have a Facebook page. So we'll just go to a normal Facebook account here and we will just go and create a Facebook page, right? So let's go to the pages section. Now click on create a new Facebook page. Now enter all this information here. This is really easy thing to do. Just add your Facebook name, your category, bio, and create a page. Now after that, it will show up in your Meta Business Suite. If you don't know, Facebook is owned by Meta here. And same goes for Instagram and WhatsApp. Now you have to link your Facebook page. So you don't need to link, actually it will happen automatically, right? So let me show you. So here, let's just close this up. And there are two pages here, that is Zips app and this, and right. So if I just go here, you can see I have this one and as well as I have this one, right? So automatically it will link here. Now let's just create our ad account here. So we have to access ad account in the business settings menu, select ad account under your accounts. So we have to just go to the settings option here. Now click on the settings, right? And here we have to select our Facebook page. So once we select our Facebook page here, so once you have selected it, on the left side, you will see a lot of option. You have to just go and click on ads. So once you're here, it will show up like this, get started or create ad here, right? So we will just go and click on get started. Once we are here, it will ask us that what kind of Facebook account or Facebook ad account or ad you want to create. So we'll just go and click on here, get more website visit, right? And here, once you go and click on it, if you're confused that you have to make a new account for Facebook ads, no, actually you don't have to do. You have to just create a page, and by using that page, you can do the ads and everything, right? If you're talking about Facebook Pixel, you can also do it from there, right? So here we have to create an ad, right? So once you have created your ad, everything will be done, and you can also set your budget and everything here. And once you go and publish here, it will ask you, Facebook payment method. But let's talk about the Facebook Pixel here. So you have to turn it on and click on get started. As you know that I have already connected my Facebook Pixel to my Shopify. Now here you can just go and simply click on get started if you want to create Facebook Pixel. Now what is Facebook Pixel? This is the for those who just run e-commerce website or selling any kind of product. So those website need to advertise the product over Google and Facebook and Instagram, right? For those, Facebook Pixel is made, right? So here you will see most of this option is by e-commerce, that Magento, Cafe, Shopify, and Wix, WooCommerce, and everything, right? So if you want to know what is Facebook Pixel and how to connect this, let me know in the comment box. I will make a separate video on it. Now we have to add a payment method. So you have to just go and click on add, and every kind of payment method is accepted, most probably the better and the most popular one. And once you have added here, make sure you select your country and time zone and click on next. Now once everything is done, just go and click on publish, and your Facebook ad has been created, as well as Facebook ad account has been also created. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box.